Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but it is a deluge thunderstorm right now. I was hiking along and I was looking for a place just like this. There's my pack. I don't know what this place is, but it's keeping me dry. Just look at the water. It is coursing off of everything. I'm ahead of everybody and I'm trying to find out where everybody is. Look at that. Look at it come off of there. And over here, just everywhere you look, there's water just coursing down. I wish those guys knew where I was. Hey, get over here! Hurry up, Philly! Here comes Philly.
Yeah! You getting this up here?
Get over here, oddball!
Video this?
Yeah. Yeah, this is something else. There's a what? A gusher?
Behind them. Right here.
Oh wow, look at that. Look at that one. That's what carves these great lands.
Yeah, nice call, dog.
Are we having fun yet, Philly?
Oh, yeah.
Are we having fun, Droz?
Oh, it's gonna get wet here, dog.